This is a beautiful HDB landed property, um, and the unique thing is you have a decent car park space in front of the house. You also have like a cul-de-sac, and I like the fact that this house has got a long driveway. You also have a very nice pavilion which they've created, tastefully done with aircon, and it becomes a theater, sound room. Very well done, and I love the peach roof. Yeah. Okay, thank you. And then you have a koi pond that runs underneath the pavilion. You know, tastefully done. Lots of space gets covered, which also helps cool down the house. It's a flow through, so ventilation is very good. Automatically when you feel it, when you walk in, the house feels cooler inside here. Tastefully done. Right, it's lots of space, and good thing is this unit is unusual in that the staircase is on the side instead of a central staircase, so space is more efficient. Very nice flooring, very beautiful condition. Yard is also made more functional. You have a bathroom downstairs, tastefully done. Also covered yard. Decent, good size kitchen. And the staircase leads up to 2 bedrooms with a bathroom, approved bathroom.